Alright guys, this video is going to be about unlocking your SCT tuner. In my case, this is an X4 model. This is 7015 for Fords, and I'm going to be unlocking this on the SCT website so that I could use it for tuning my new Shelby GT500. This tuner was actually married to my last Terminator that I had, and I sold the car, so went ahead and found this and I decided to go ahead and reuse it for my GT500. However, since it is married to the old Terminator, I won't be able to use this on my GT500 unless I go onto the SCT website and get it unlocked. First thing we're gonna do is go onto the website and enter the serial number of the tuner. In my case, the back of the sticker, the serial number is really faded and kind of diminished. So another way of finding that out is actually going onto your OBD2 port on your car and plugging it in, or you can also, I believe you can also plug it into the laptop so that way you get power on the SCT tuner. And yeah, see, that way it's loading up right now. What you're gonna do is go to vehicle info, past that, and go to device info. You're gonna click on device info, and after that you're gonna scroll down to serial number, and then I'll give you the exact serial number that you're gonna need to enter onto the website. So now that we have our serial number, I can go ahead and disconnect this from the laptop, and we are going to go onto the SCT website and enter the serial number. So I have that written down right here. And it's going to give you the exact information of your device. So after this, you're going to click add to cart, and then you're going to pay for it. After you pay for it, you're going to receive an email from them, and that email is going to look something like this right here. It's going to tell you, thank you, you made a purchase for a device unlocked from Derived Systems, order number, and then they give you the order number, and then they give you your device number and the serial number that you entered in there. And after that, they give you a link to click, visit our support page. Once you do that, go to the support page. You're going to pull this back up. You're going to go to, let's see, if you don't, so if you don't have that link, you can always go back to the main website and click on the support tab up top. You'll see it next to products, company, and then you'll see support. Click on support, go down to product support and click on X4. And then once you have X4, you'll see a bunch of different topics that have been brought up for discussion. So first one you'll see is X4 quick install guide. You're gonna go ahead and skip over to that. Go to how to unlock an X4. You're gonna click on that right there. It does note that this service is not refundable and this service is not available in the state of California, so keep that in mind, all you Cali guys. So before we get to the unlocking process, we're gonna go ahead and update this device first before we unlock it. So I'm gonna plug my USB back into the computer, and then we're gonna do that first. And we'll go ahead and jump to the instructions on how to update this device as well, so that way you have it for yourself. And so you're gonna click on that second topic right here underneath X4 quick install guide. It's gonna say how to update an X4. Click on that little guy right there, and then it actually gives you a video as well. So we're gonna use the method for using the PC on the computer, and we have to make sure that we have the SCT update software installed on our Windows PC, and we're gonna do that first. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and open the device updater app. So now that the device updater app is up and running, we're gonna go ahead and plug in our device, which is the SCT tuner, into the laptop. After it's plugged into the laptop, we're going to open up the application, and with the device plugged in, select automatically check for updates from the basic operations menu. So we're gonna pull up that main program again, and we're gonna automatically check for updates. That's what we're gonna click on right there. And so now it shows a little screen with magnifying glass, gathering device information and scanning through all that stuff right now. So we're just gonna play the waiting game. And at the bottom bar, you'll see it's transferring required files. And then we get a pop-up screen saying that the device has been updated for your vehicle. You can now return to the vehicle and install the updated preloaded tune file. And we're gonna go ahead and click OK on that. Then you get another screen that says verify that you have retuned the vehicle back to stock before updating device. Failure to do so could result in loss or corruption of your stock file and possible downtime and expense while issues are being resolved. So we'll click OK to that too. And then we go ahead and click on update device. Alright, device still updating, and on the actual device, you don't really see much going on there. I think everything's working internally, and on the screen it kind of gives you an update as to what's happening, but you do get that little LED light underneath the tuner to actually show you that there's something occurring. Alright, so little did I know this, once you have already done the update, if you had already paid for the unlock prior to that, it should already be in their system. So when you do the update, it automatically unlocks it as well. So we are done unlocking this SCT tuner. Once the update has finished, your device is unlocked and ready to be used again. That's the last note it tells us, and we are actually good. So when we pull up the device again, you look down, and I'll go ahead and show you on the actual camera because you won't be able to see this on the software. Device information, you're gonna go scroll down and it'll tell you have 5 unlocks left. Prior to this, I only had 3 unlocks left. So now it'll tell you the married status is unmarried. So that's very important because you can now use this on another vehicle, so that way you can go ahead and load your tune on that vehicle. And that's basically all we have left. So I just want to advise you to go ahead and read over the instructions carefully, and hopefully this video helps out a little bit with the visuals. But that's basically all you need to do if you purchase an SCT tuner from someone and it's married to their vehicle. You can just unlock it by going onto the website, or if you have a vehicle that you had it married to and you no longer have that vehicle and you want to use it again, that's what you basically do. Now I am going to be doing another video over the tuning process and the data logging process for the Shelby GT500. So stay tuned for that video. It'll be underway shortly. And yeah, see you guys next time.